What is up guys, Express here and I'm back with another video. Now in this video we'll redesign again. This is my third redesign video and this time I have another anime banner, but the second one is something else, so stay tuned for that. But let's just start with this anime header. So I see this is this from Zonk. This is a Origami header and I will spice it up a bit. It's already a great header, so I think we'll just some positioning, some color correction, and I think that is it, really what I can do. So let's check out his work and let's see what he does. So this is like the glitch effect on top of it. Yeah, okay, let's remove those. And then we have final header. I guess these just are the CCs. Yeah, this is a bit more bland. I kind of like this more, this grid effect. Yeah, okay, I'll remove that as well. Okay, I'll remove this Japanese text as well. We will keep using this, but I'll flip this. So I'll do it like so. So all the attention is to the left and then the text is to the right. Okay, we have this nice render. I'll move this a bit more to the right. So you have red there and then the rest is blue. So what if I put a gradient map on top of that and we pick a blue one, so something like this, and then we put that on a hue. There you go. I think that's already 10 times better. We'll make his text a bit smaller. Oh, okay, the back text and the main text is not. Put that in the same thing. Come on, man. I'll give those stars an outer glow. So an outer glow, not blue. We just do the white, like so. And I give them to all of them. It has like a more star feeling, in my opinion. And then we have this Japanese text, which I think doesn't look so nice. So I'll remove all his blending options. So I'll remove his bevel, remove his inner show, I'll remove the gradient map, I'll remove the drop shadow. There you go. And I'll keep it simple, but will still look nice. So he has his outer stroke, and then he has his white stroke, and he has his blue stroke. I'm gonna remove his this stroke, of course. No, this stroke. Okay, and I'll put an inner shadow. His inner shadow is way too dark, something like that, and come from the left, like so. I think this looks better in my opinion. Make it a bit smaller, like so. And I'm going to put that, like, we can put that in the middle, I guess. Behind the layer, we can just have a little dab of black, so he has more shadow. Okay, we have this little stars, which I think is really nice, but I'll just copy them and, you know, place them somewhere else as well. And we can have like a totally different banner if we do that, like so. This is also on a soft light. We can do this like on a hue. I think a hue maybe will fit. And we just take my brush again and just erase a couple of parts as well. Okay, I think we're almost there for this particular header. We'll just check out his final header. Okay, it's completely different than mine. I'll do some camera raw filter as well, see how that turns out. Okay, we can also add his glitch effect on top of it as well that he did. So we'll just move the top layer to the right. It had. And there you have it. There you have my version of his work, of the redesign work. You know, if I see them side by side, it's a complete difference. More my style, less vibrant, less saturation and everything. Both good. Let me know what you guys prefer. And yeah, up to the next one. Okay, up to the next redesign. We have a Fortnite themed poster, I guess. This is the first time I'm doing something Fortnite related. I don't know. Let's begin. Also, this is from Utopia, I think, in my server. So I'm going to, yeah, change everything from this. I'm going to remove the copy. The name, we don't need a name, just a random namespace. What is that even? What is this? It's just a black. Who does that? It's not even the render. What is this? What? Okay, we have this. What is this? What? And this is the highlights. The highlights are not really applied that great, not gonna lie. Way too dark shadows, and then the normal one. Yeah, okay. And then this is the background. Let me check the background real quick. Okay, it's not even like what the circles are I'll make my background myself. But we keep the render. From everything that he did, we keep that. Make a new layer. Take a brush. I'm going to just add darker parts. Just to add some more natural shadows. Shadows are not sharp. The more, in my opinion, more natural shadows if you add like a Gaussian blur on top of it. Just like, what is the main color? That's like a blue, yeah. We can add like this blue as a highlight. Yeah, this blue as a highlight everywhere, and then the render as a gradient map. But I'll see first how it looks without the gradient map. There you go, the highlights are on. They're not the best, but I mean, I tried. And then we can like add this gradient map, which I think looks really nice. We can maybe change the highlights of the gradient to like that blue color that we use. And then it has automatically some highlights on top of that. And we can maybe change the black to more gray, and then add the black as last, and it has a deeper feeling to it. And then also you need to, you know, say that these highlights colors are coming from somewhere. So I'm gonna add a little light right there. So because the highlights are coming from the left, there needs to be light on the left. I think that's quite simple to understand that. Okay, and then what I want is this light. I want to like make it pop out, make it come out of his eyes and everything. So I'm gonna make a new layer, take this polygon lasso tool and do something like, where is he looking at though? He's looking straight ahead, I guess, like so. And then we take a brush, a white brush of course, and he had a little dab, okay, like so. You can see like, boom, that's the beam of light that I was going for. Put them on the screen, just lower the opacity just a tad. I'm going to filter, blur, and add just a tad of Gaussian blur to it. Yeah, I think that could work, because if I make it too strong, then it's not realistic. But again, it's just Fortnite, and I just want like this blue color that the whole thing has, and add just a small little dab to it, like so, and add that also on a screen, and also a filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and maybe a bit less, like so. So the initial light is a blue, and then it's a white, you know. Then again, he has that, you know, name, just name in the back. So I'll just put name in the back as well. What you can do is maybe add a small little drop shadow to it. Put that right there or something like that. Like it just has something to it, I guess. And then some Fortnite, just Fortnite text, just to fill in the white space, I guess. Like so. This could work. I'll just do a normal grid. I think that will look the best. Okay, there you have it. I think that turned out pretty nice, not gonna lie. I kinda like the red glow on the right. It has something in my opinion. It has like the kind of blood effect, I don't know. But I think I really spiced up his design. For reference, I'll show you the before and after, of course. So before was this, and now after is my work. Let you know, of course, what you guys prefer as well. I think this poster, you know, I kind of like what I did there. It has something in my opinion. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Subscribe, like, do more if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.